Hi friends, welcome back to BCAexpert channel. In this video, we will discuss about the queue in data structure. First, we know about what is the queue. Queue is a linear type of the data structure where the elements are inserted one end and delete from the other end. This is known as the queue. Queue is also known as the FIFO, first in, first out. We follow the some rules in the insertion and deletion steps. We insert the element to one end, that end is known as the rear end, and deletion would be performed the other end, that end is known as the front end. Next we discuss about the factorial representation of the queue. Here the front end is denoted by the F and rear end is denoted by R. We insert the element in the queue like 10, 20, 13, etc. This like we insert the element in the queue. The elements are inserted in the is called as rear end. The elements are deleted in the queue is called as the front end. We know about the operations of the queue. Queue is contain the three operations. First one is insertion, second one is deletion, and third one is display. Next we know about the how is insertion take place in the queue. Let's assume that three elements are inserted. The queue is 10, 20, 13 elements we inserted in the queue. Next we insert the one more element into the queue. First we increment the position R to R by 1, means R is equals to R plus 1. When we insert the one element is like 14. We insert the one more element into the queue, but is no space to insert the one more element in the queue. So this is called as the queue is full. This condition is called as the queue is overflow. Next we discuss about the how to delete the element into the queue. Let's assume that we insert element 10, 20, 13 element we are inserted. First we delete the element is 10. Next we delete the element is 20. When the 10 element is deleted, after deleting the 10, it is front is pointing to the 20 and rear is pointing to the 13. When we delete the element is 20, when the front and rear element is pointing to the 13. When 13 element is also deleted, rear is pointing to the this position, but when queue is empty, we F is greater than the R. Once F is greater than R, no elements to be deleted into the queue. This condition is known as the queue is underflow. Guys, I hope you all have got the information of the queue in data structure. Next we discuss about the circular queue in the data structure. Thanks for watching.